everyone, welcome to the channel Noor Astrologer. In today's video, you will find the full details of the planet Jupiter in the 12 zodiac sign. The rotation of the planets is the most important part in the orbit. If you understand the rotation and vision of the planets in the orbit correctly, you can predict like an expert astrologer, or you can easily read anybody's horoscope. Jupiter's rotation in orbit to be the most important part of universe. This is made because Jupiter stays in one zodiac sign for 13 months, so its effects on a zodiac extend over the same period. Jupiter is a planet of honor, fame, knowledge, and wealth that almost every individual seeks. So, with its circulation, we can make many decisions or help our problems. That is, when we can start a business, when we can travel abroad, when should we migrate, and so on. Now you have the information about every zodiac Jupiter placement in the horoscope. First, we talk about Jupiter presence in Aries. Aries people are hasty and angry, so their hasty decisions often lead to wrong results. These peoples are wasteful and moody, which often leaves them short of money. Coming to Aries zodiac of the planet Jupiter gives them financial resources, which makes their life a little calmer. At the same time, these peoples gets the best opportunity to implement their new plans. People who have Jupiter in their horoscope in Aries zodiac will never have a tight hand. Jupiter in the zodiac sign of Taurus. Jupiter considered very welcome in this zodiac. This is because the ruling planet of the Taurus is Venus, which represents beauty and literature. Jupiter symbolizes wealth and religious ideas. So the combination of the two good planets indicates economic prosperity, increase the religious tendency in the individual, which brings him closer to God and protects him from the needs of the people. You have often seen that some people are very rich as well as pious. So know that Jupiter is present in Taurus in their birth chart. Jupiter presence in Gemini. The ruling planet of Gemini is Mercury, which is called Jupiter's wise planet. Because the people of Gemini have been found to be away from religion due to mental conflict, Jupiter, which is a manifestation of religious tendencies and ideas, not only brings peace of mind to the individuals but also brings Gemini people closer to the religion. People who have Jupiter in their zodiac sign Gemini in their horoscope are very close to religion as well as good thinker and writer. Jupiter in the sign of Cancer. This is Jupiter's place of honor. So Jupiter is manifested with all its virtues, which brings together the blessings of honor, fame, wealth, and religion. This beautiful Jupiter's placings brings prosperity and peace in the society. People with Jupiter in their horoscope in Cancer are financially prosperous as well as very good, God-fearing, and always helping others. Jupiter in the zodiac sign of Leo is a bit complicated to understand because the ruling star of Leo is Sun, which is the star of self-esteem and glory. Jupiter, on the other hand, has more or less these characteristics as well as religious tendencies. Therefore, the same powers together eliminate the effect of each other to some extent. Therefore, those in whose horoscope Jupiter is in the horoscope of Leo use their power and status for the betterment of the people and religious purposes. Such people are sincere, generous, and hardworking as well as eager of power. Jupiter in Virgo. Jupiter is stable in this zodiac because Virgo is the earth sign that absorbs the negative qualities of Jupiter and helps to refine its positive qualities, which makes people positive. And these people have the ability to check things out and plans better. People who have Jupiter in their zodiac sign in Virgo find better solution to diseases and other problems by doing research in the scientific field. Such people are the best guide and teacher for their family and friends. Jupiter presence in Libra. In this zodiac sign, Jupiter faces opposite forces. Because the sophistication and politeness of Libra zodiac play a role in binding Jupiter's mystical abilities. One of the reasons is that the planet Saturn is honored in the constellation, which also significantly reduces the qualities of Jupiter. But on the positive side, it also raises the bar of concern among those planets, raise the banner of justice. People who have Jupiter in Libra in their horoscope are more inclined towards Sufism. These people are called to be the best friends and sorrow's partner, as well as better helpers for their families. Not only do these people make the best use of their financial resources, but their loved ones also benefit from their advice. Jupiter in the zodiac sign of Scorpio. Scorpio is the zodiac that gives Jupiter more power and energy. This is because the ruling planet of Scorpio is Mars, which does not allow Jupiter to feel sluggish and tired at this point, but urges him to move forward with a new spirit and determination. When Jupiter arrives at this point, the people of Scorpio turn to religion. People who have a Jupiter in Scorpio in their horoscope are pious and intelligent. They have a lot of faith in God. Jupiter in the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. The ruling planet of Sagittarius is also Jupiter, but this is not its honorable place. So people do not get what they expected. Sagittarius people usually possesses magical properties that are strengthened by the arrival of Jupiter. People who have Jupiter in their zodiac sign Sagittarius in their birth horoscope prefer religion over material things. These people do not take advantage of their positions. Jupiter in the zodiac sign of Capricorn. In Capricorn, Jupiter position is declining. So at this zodiac sign, all of Jupiter positive potential freezes and only negative features are affected. One of the reasons for this is that the ruling planet of Capricorn is Saturn, which is the hard and a principal planet that no one else can tolerate. It binds Jupiter abilities and dominates it. During this period, marital dispute results in divorce and separation. People who have Jupiter in their horoscope face lifelong financial problems and hardship. Jupiter in the zodiac signs of Aquarius. Like Capricorn, Saturn is the ruling planet of Aquarius, but this is not the declining position of Jupiter. The positive feature of Jupiter do not come to the fore, but the negative features of Jupiter do not have as bad an effect as in the zodiac sign of Capricorn. People whose birth horoscope has Jupiter in the sign of Aquarius, such people start their life with great difficulty, but with their hard work and dedication they reach a high place. Jupiter in the sign of Pisces. The ruling planet of Pisces is Jupiter itself. So Jupiter is at rest in this zodiac sign, indicates a balanced state. People who have Jupiter in their horoscope in the zodiac sign of Pisces, such people are changeable, loving, and eager to travel. These people use their talents for the welfare of the other people. Most of them specialize in occult sciences. Viewers, now it's time to say goodbye. I hope you like this video of the rotation of the planet Jupiter in 12 zodiac signs. In future videos, I will explain the other stars' rotations into 12 zodiac signs. For further videos, keep watching our YouTube channel Neurastrologer. Thank you. Goodbye.